Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon and we're going outside to eat and we will find food.
What fine, Georgi already find food. Hi Georgi.
Hi.
Burger King, he said.
Ah yes, with rice? Okay.
Hi everyone, yes, we're going to Burger King. Because Burger King have rice for Filipino, it's good. It's near our hotel have Burger King. In the beach road. That's why we will go to again beach road. Also we want to find slippers for Shaira. Because last night we going to night market and in night market already after midnight close. That's why we go right now. Shaira, in night market we will go. So many Chinese morning, Georgi. You say you sleep not good because so noisy, yes?
Really?
Yes, he said.
Really so noisy?
Yeah, he said noisy, Georgi.
Yes, maybe at 12 o'clock. We'll go up.
Go up. Swimming pool. So I don't know where better, this way. Maybe this way. Okay. Lazada. Don't have Lazada, Georgi, for you. Old house. Also here. We already near beach road and going to Burger King.
But you can use which road for that?
No, it's not so far.
Up here.
Yes, but it's not so far.
เขาบอกไม่เป็นไรกินได้อยู่แต่ว่าจะมานั่งสิแหละเพราะว่ามานั่งโต๊ะ
Ah, slippers. Ah, okay.
How much this one?
150
Yes, try.
Cannot try because it's
Okay, Shaira want it first. That's why she don't want buy right now. So first you want it. Okay. This is soy 6. Soy 6 daytime. Это да. Shaira now. I know. Hot for Shaira now. Hot? Hot, I said. soy 7. This is soy 7. You choose.
You don't want?
Just you. What is your gift? Burger King?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. What is this? And how
It's-
much?
249.
Can I touch?
Whopper.
Whopper.
Whopper. Okay. Okay.
You order Shaira what?
Rice.
Rice.
Teriyaki and salted teriyaki.
Okay,
Chicken.
okay. It's better. Did you try in the Philippines same or not?
Not same. More smaller.
Smaller, but
Right. This is better. More fresh, more juicy.
more expensive.
Yes, more expensive.
Shaira. not.
More expensive.
Yes.
More expensive than in Philippines. But it's bigger.
Bigger. What in Russia? You say?
In Russia, the same costs 249 rubles. It's maybe about 3 times cheaper.
No, maybe 100 baht only. About 100 baht in Russia, same.
Yes, yes.
But what about quality of foods in Russia?
I think it's the same.
Good quality.
Yes, good.
So in Russia, cheaper and good quality. Because some of people don't know about Russia. All foods in Russia cheaper and
I was there in August last time, so I don't know what now.
August, 6 months ago. I think the same. About. No, I mean not already our foods. Shaira, explain what is this and how much.
This is a cow fried teriyaki. And this one is salted teriyaki.
It's for me.
Yes, it's for you. And we ordered some buttered butter only. On the house. Where's mine? It's mine. This is yours.
Yes, it's mine.
Because I have this one. It's 99 baht. And this one is 119 baht. What's the difference here is you don't have vegetable. I have vegetable in 199. It's a la carte, but you have chicken.
But it's spicy.
I don't know.
Okay.
I will try.
You can ask to change. You can change.
It's cold. Shaira, can you exchange to not cold, okay?
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
I know Chinese people also take picture when before eat. And show to WeChat moments or
I don't have-
QQ.
I don't
Are you
have-
send to Facebook?
Yes, Facebook only. Okay.
Before I not understand why I take picture before eat. Maybe if if after eat not good quality and can show it, oh I eat this one.
Bye. First bite.
Okay, good. No spicy.
The chicken spicy.
Ah, spicy. Okay. Okay, I like this. This is not spicy. It's good. I already know.
We just finished eat here in Burger King, and right now we're going to coffee shop. It's 30 seconds only.
Georgi said 30 seconds.
30 seconds again.
Not 30 minutes.
Again.
Or maybe Georgi have wrong location. Should go to clean stand. Very hard, yeah. Okay, let's go. Tiger Bar, beach bar. Cookies for free. What you order? Coffee?
It's latte.
Latte, how much you pay?
It's 80 baht.
80 baht in Philippine peso. Georgi, how much in Philippine peso?
80 baht.
80 baht, yes.
Maybe 130. Yes.
Same like in Starbucks. Or Coffee Bean.
Yes, about 120 baht.
So in the Philippines the same.
I will try.
Okay, try.
So strong.
Strong coffee? What is this? Maybe red.
Cat. Maybe cut.
Ah, cat.
Yes, cat stay opposite. Cat stay up there.
Ah, it's your cat?
No, they just cat allow cat.
Ah, okay.
Homeless cat. Strong. I cannot sleep.
Night market. No, night market maybe 10. 16 it's
10 minutes to night market.
to Soybakao. 16. Night market, yes, maybe
10 minutes to night market, Shara, don't worry.
What do already?
Already time 4:30. It's already not so hard soon. Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Are you ready to go again?
So many bars, Shaira, yes?
Huh?
So many bars, I say. Sailor bar. Already not so hot.
But I never been in massage.
ซีไหมครับฮัลโหล
Massage. I never been. Even in Philippines, I never been. I
Not
just
me.
only been in. Ah yes, one time only in. You know the therapy.
Uh-huh. This way. How much? Zero.
5.33 for dollar. So 100 pesos is 53 pesos.
Much. Where Georgi? Georgi already. Central Festival is one. We've been yesterday in Central Festival. We prepare. Crocodile meat. No, not touch 50 baht. Do not touch, but if you touch 50 baht pay.
Really?
Yes.
Of course, why you need to touch the meat?
I don't know, meat or not meat. Shaira, it's already night bazaar.
Oh yes.
Very close. I think not 10 minutes, I think maybe 5 minutes only. And open. Okay, let's go. Georgi, can we take a look here? I don't know what it's. This is bar or not? Ah, many bars here? They prepare. You want wait here? Okay, we come back.
Have cocktail. Ano yun?
Smell Indian. Mini basket. $5 CR. So noisy, come back. No, I don't want to. Smell sandalwood. I like this smell. Indian. Not only Indian, Arabian also. Sandalwood smell.
Yes.
Same we have already.
It may be a tradition right now because it's Thursday.
I don't know.
They need always every bar they need to put some traditional praying.
Yes.
It's like you need like blessing like this. That's why they always put some, you know. They put in Philippines if you go to some like trees or something traditional, you need to put same like this
Mm-hmm.
and then water, salt, food.
Okay. Pattaya Night Bazaar.